Am I German because this song is German? Yes. I only listen to songs in my native language because I need to understand the lyrics before I can listen to them. What about the Brazilian music I listen to? I'm from Brazil too. Senor. Spanish? Yeah, well, there's people that speak Spanish in Brazil, so get owned. Logic still applies. Yeah, I'm laughing. Wait, they laugh with the cake? Oh, fuck, you're fucking right. Like that? It's such a fucked up laugh sound. Is it because they pronounce the K as like huh? Like that has to be it, right? No, they laugh like radio static. Good one. Wait, good one. Ew, it's like drying my mouth out. I sound like that machine when you're at the dentist and it like sucks up your saliva, but there's no more saliva to suck up, so it starts going like... You know what I mean? That's so relatable. Yeah, I've been to the dentist. Yeah, I'm gonna have my breakthrough as an ASMR fartist. Doing going to the dentist trip. Taking you guys to the dentist with me. Hot dentist nurse cleans your mouth